In the heart of the Amazon, where the rainforest teems, sits a sight to behold, a metallic owl dreams, with neon lights glowing, its feathers so bright. It's a high, realistic, ultra high resolution sight of the neon owl of the Amazon, a sight to behold like no other one, with its metallic feathers and glowing bright eyes. It's a wonder to see beneath the jungle skies. It sits on a flower so delicate and small, yet its presence is mighty. It stands tall, its gaze is direct, its wisdom profound, a guardian of the jungle, its magic unbound. In the stillness of the night, when the moon is high, the neon owl sings its lullaby. Its song is enchanting, its melody sweet, a hypnotic rhythm that can't be beat.